Present simple is used in a few different situations. Today we are going to focus on 3 ways to use present simple correctly. Regular actions and habits. I have pancakes and coffee for breakfast every morning. General facts.
Reading before bedtime helps me sleep.
And stative verbs. I love coming to the gym.
The first way to use present simple is for regular actions or habits. This means things you do every day, every week, every month, or every year. It can also be for things you do twice a day, 3 times a week, 5 times per year. The important point is that it's regular.
We go fishing every weekend in the summer. My cat wakes me up at 6 o'clock every morning.
I visit my family 3 times a year.
The second way we use present simple is for facts and things that are generally true.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
Giraffes eat leaves.
Computers need electricity. The last way to use present simple is for stative verbs. To say it simply, this means verbs that describe how something is instead of what it does. Some common stative verbs fall into the following categories: thoughts and opinions, do you remember where I put the keys? Feelings and emotions.
He wants dinner.
Senses and perceptions.
Whoa, did you see that? That was a Bigfoot.
And possession and measurement.
Do you have kids? Remember these 3 common ways to use present simple: regular actions and habits, general facts, and stative verbs. Try to practice them in your next conversation.
If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English content like this. Thanks for watching!
See you next time!
Bye!